How to fix camera shutter lag in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache, open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera app. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. After that, factory data reset, open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on erase all data and factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, video, picture will be erased or deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix camera shutter lag in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.